Welcome to Learning Fun Zone, where we make learning super fun. Today, we have something truly special for all of you Ganesh fans today. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if Ganesha enjoyed the yummy laddoos we offered him during puja? Well, hold on your seats because in our magical project today, we are making that dream a reality. We are going to bring Ganesha to life and you will see him munching on those tasty laddoos in a fantastic animation. So get ready for a sweet and delightful adventure as we bring your animation to life. Let's dive into the Ladoo love with Lord Ganesha. It's going to be a blast. Start the project. As Lord Ganesha indulges in his laddoos, beautiful flowers will rain down from above and creating a shower of blessings. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the sweet celebration. Lord Ganesha's love for laddoos and a shower of flowers will warm your heart. Isn't it amazing? So, let us go to the coding part now and see. So here we are into the project. We have 3 sprites over here. So let us quickly check one by one. The one sprite is for the Ganesha's GIF. Second sprite is of the text which we have added. Here I have written Ganpati Bappa Moria. You can customize it and write anything that you wish. And I have taken a sprite of flower. This is one sprite, but we will make it as a clone and we will create a shower of flowers from this. So let us check one by one. So this is the Ganesha sprite and we will check the costumes. So I have downloaded this GIF and this has different pictures in it. Okay, so these are around 151 pictures that we have added in the costumes. So let us check the coding part for this. So when the green flag is clicked, we have set the drag mode to not draggable and we have added a forever loop and we have changed it to the next costume and we have added a wait of 0.01 seconds. Whenever we click the green flag, it will go to the next costume and it will create an animation effect out of it. So we can see all these images are being shown one by one and it is creating animation effect. So this is the code for animation. Wonderful. Now let us go to the second sprite. This is of Ganpati Bappa Moria. This is the text sprite. We can check in the costumes. So we have added this text and we can write anything we want over here. I have just filled it with orange color and we have added this one. And let us check this costume. So I've just drawn one small flower and let us check the code now. I want the flowers to fall from over here and come down over here, right? So for that, same as the apple catcher game we had designed, the same logic for apple catcher game, we will keep the y coordinates same. We will keep the y coordinate constant because we want the flowers to start from here. So we have kept y is 155 and then we have picked anything random from minus 166 to 168. So from here to here we will add the flowers. So x-axis from here it will start and then we will change the y to minus 10. So we want it to come down. So we will repeat it 45 times and we will keep on decreasing the y-axis. Okay, and then we will keep it to the front layer. So whenever we keep it to the front layer, it will fall above this. So for creating one clone and we want different sprites, will add a forever loop and we will create a clone of this flowers and we will add a wait of 0.01 seconds. So this will be the final effect. Isn't it beautiful? Very easy, you can try this. So let us try to run this again. So feel free to customize this project and experiment with this project. I will share the link of this project and you can add your own touches, change the animation speed, or even add more elements into this. So click and play. So may your creative journey be filled with joy and wonder. So if you enjoyed this Ladoo Delight animation and want more scratch tutorials and creative challenges like these, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious coding adventures. And a special shout out to this original project that inspired this delightful animation.